In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Slack account from all devices, whether you're wrapping up a project and need to ensure that your Slack data is secure, or you're simply switching to a new device. Signing out of all sessions is a great way to maintain your online security. First, you'll need access to Slack via either the desktop app or a web browser. Start by logging into the specific workspace that you wish to sign out from. You need to be logged in because we are going to manage your account settings from within Slack itself. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture, which will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Profile and Account, or it might say View Profile depending on your specific setup. Following this, you'll want to click on More, represented by 3 dots, and then choose Account Settings. These actions will take you to your Slack account settings page, which will open up in your default web browser. Now that you're on the account settings page, let's navigate to the next step. You will need to look for an option labeled Sessions or Manage Devices. Note that Slack might use different terminology, but the idea here is to find the section where you can view all active sessions. This section is crucial because it displays all the devices where your Slack account is currently logged in. In this view, you'll encounter a list of all active sessions. It's quite insightful to see where you're logged in, and this can include desktops, mobile phones, and tablets. To proceed with signing out, find the button that says Sign Out of All Sessions. Clicking this will trigger a confirmation pop-up to appear. This is an essential step, as it ensures you don't accidentally sign out of your account unintentionally. Confirm the sign out action in the pop-up and voila! You've successfully logged out your Slack account from all devices. This feature is extremely useful, especially if you've been using shared or public devices and want to protect your privacy and security. It's also a handy trick if you're experiencing issues with constant notifications across multiple devices. Remember that logging back in will require you to re-enter your credentials, so make sure you have those handy. And there you have it, a simple and secure way to sign out of Slack across all your devices. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.